Welcome to the Home of English. In this synonyms and antonyms session, let's be familiar with 100 plus words. Subscribe and visit the channel for more English lessons. Let's start. The first word is fantasy. Fantasy means an exciting imagination. Fantasy means an exciting imagination. Its synonyms are dream, vision, image, visualization, fairyland, pipe dream, wishful thinking, fancy, illusion, bubble, ignis, will o' the wisp, misconception, fiction. These are the synonyms of the word fantasy. Now let's see its antonyms. They are reality, substantiality, actuality, existence, uncreativeness, waking, plain, and truth. These are the antonyms of the word fantasy. The next word is fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic means extraordinarily good or attractive. Extraordinarily good or attractive. Its synonyms are tremendous, remarkable, terrific, enormous, striking, impressive, outstanding, phenomenal, monumental, overwhelming, marvelous, wonderful, sensational, magnificent, superb, superlative, excellent, dazzling, breathtaking, fabulous, stellar, ace, awesome, amazeballs, and brilliant. These are the synonyms of the word fantastic. Now, let's see the antonyms of fantastic. They are rational, ordinary, unremarkable, poor, normal, customary, and common. These are the antonyms of fantastic. Next word is fanatic. Fanatic means a person filled with excessive and single-minded zeal, especially for an extreme religious or political cause. A person filled with excessive and single-minded zeal, especially for an extreme religious or political cause, is called a fanatic. Its synonyms are zealot, extremist, militant, dogmatist, sectarian, bigot, chauvinist, partisan, radical, diehard, activist, adherent, maniac, crank, freak, and wakadu. These are the synonyms of the word fanatic. Now let's see its antonyms. Means antonyms of fanatic are liberal, tolerant, generous, unprejudiced, moderate, and lenient. These are the antonyms of fanatic. The next word is falter. Falter means lose strength or momentum. Lose strength or momentum is called falter. Its synonyms are hesitate, delay, drag one's feet, stall, get cold feet, change one's mind, waver, oscillate, fluctuate, vacillate, be irresolute, haver, hum and haw, sit on the fence, dilly-dally, and shilly-shally. These are the synonyms of the word falter. Now let's see the antonyms of falter. They are firm, solid, steady, secure, fixed, strong, sturdy, and endure. These are the antonyms of the word falter. The next word is fallacy. Fallacy means a mistaken belief. A mistaken belief is called fallacy. Its synonyms are misconception, misbelief, delusion, false notion, misapprehension, misjudgment, misinterpretation, misconstruction, error, mistake, untruth, illusion, myth, fantasy, deceit, sophism, casuistry. These are the synonyms of the word fallacy, that means a mistaken belief. Now, its antonyms are truth, accuracy, veracity, honesty, certainty, precision, and reality. These are the antonyms of the word fallacy. Fallacy means a mistaken belief. That's all in this session. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.